You would think that with all the new recipes we come up with, I would have something different for dinner every night. But to tell you the truth, that's not the case. I often end up falling back on a few favorites. One of those is eggplant rollatini. And with eggplant being so reasonable right now, there's no better time to make it. We start by peeling a couple of eggplants and slicing them lengthwise, so they're about 1/8 of an inch thick. After dipping them in some beaten egg and then into Italian-style breadcrumbs, we pan fry them. Once they're all fried, we top them with a mixture we made by combining some ricotta, mozzarella, and Parmesan cheese along with a few spices. A little fresh basil goes on top before rolling them up jelly roll style. Then we place them in a baking dish that we lined with spaghetti sauce. Once they're all rolled, we'll top them with more sauce and a good amount of shredded mozzarella before baking them off. When these come out of the oven, it's time to dig in. And since this makes a bunch, you can freeze some and reheat them whenever you need a quick dinner. The recipe for our Little Italy Eggplant Rollatini is online now. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an Italian lover's way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.